On this video, we are going to show you where and how to get your 3D printed symbols from and all the information about it. 3D symbols sit in the category of tangible symbols and they can be a good resource for people who have visual impairment. You can find out more about tangible symbols in our eBook 3, available on our website or the Apple Bookstore. On the Project Core website, you can find all the information about the 3D symbols and the files to download, and this is where we are going to take you now. Just type and search in your browser for www.project-core.com/3D-symbols. When you get to the Project Core website, scroll down to the How to Get Started section to find 3 symbols to start with. We will be using the like symbol for this demo, to which the recommended color is red. Click on the symbol and the download will start. By scrolling down on the page, you will find useful information about its implementation and additional 3D symbols. Once the download is completed, it's time to order your 3D printed symbols. For this demo, we are using the website www.champion3d.com, as they have a full range of colors that you might need for the different symbols. However, there are many other hubs available online. Start the process by choosing the option Instant Quote and follow the information on your screen. To upload your file, you can just drag the file onto the upload area or search for it by clicking on Upload 3D Model. Once selected, the upload starts instantly. Remember that you can add more than one file at once. When the upload status is ready, click on Next Step. On the top left of this page, you can choose the symbol to which you want to adjust the printing settings. In this demo, we keep it simple with just one. Here, you can preview your 3D model and change the printing settings, although the standard ones are appropriate. Bearing in mind the ecosystem where the symbols will be used, we recommend using PLA as it is a non-toxic material and it can be easily washed and cleaned up. You can change the layer thickness, with which you can manipulate the printing quality, and you can also change the filling that will change the symbol's solidness. Here you can also choose the right color of your symbol according to the recommendations. We are going to choose red as we know that this is the recommended color for the symbol like. After this, you can choose the preferred delivery option, and once you've finished, you can choose the order quantity and add it to the cart. Adjust it to the quantity you need and proceed to the cart so that you can review your order. If your order summarizes less than the minimum value of £20, this warning will come up. After confirming it or adjusting your order, you're ready to go to the next step. From now on, it feels like doing any other online purchase. Insert your details as required and select "This is a company order" if that's the case. Write down your delivery address and shipment details below and go to the next step. Here you can see the summary of your order, check all the details and review your quote. Once you've completed the payment, your symbols are ready to go to production. Before you go, don't forget to check the description, where you can find references to the websites that we have seen on this video.